iPhone X, which is still my daily driver device, has been in my pocket for over a year now, if not a year and a half, and I really love this thing. From the design to the camera to just the overall build quality. Find out more in this review. Alright, so I touched on a few things in the introduction piece. Forget about that. First of all, let's talk about the design, okay? This is one of the polarizing factors for picking up one of these things. It has a stainless steel and glass unibody design, glass in the back and front, which enables Qi charging on the device, which is brilliant for anyone who needs that sort of thing. Really love how simple and easy it is just to pop it on a wireless charger at the end of the day and go about your way. You can also, dare I say it, charge using the lightning port on the bottom of this phone. It can fast charge, but it will degrade your battery significantly in the process, so I wouldn't really recommend you fast charge with this, but if you want to fast charge, I suppose that's there. It comes with a 5-watt USB charging brick in the box, no USB-C, since this was released in 2017. Yeah, 2017 this was released, so you wouldn't really expect it to have that. I really love the fact that it has a dual lens camera. This dual lens camera system has a telephoto lens and a main just wide angle lens. This goes out, so it's a 1x wide angle lens at f1.6 aperture. The camera lens, it's great, it's 12 megapixels. On the bottom it has the secondary lens under the quad tone flash and the true tone flash. It has an 8 megapixel or 12 megapixel, sorry, f2.6 aperture telephoto lens that is a 2x optical lens. Both are optic image stabilized, so you can be filming and no problem there. Obviously, if you want more stabilization, you can get something like a DJI Osmo Mobile 3 or 2. The 2 is still brilliant, by the way. But yeah, if you want more stabilization, that's the kind of thing you'll have to go for. I really like this screen as well, the display. It is a display that is OLED, which is brilliant for the fact that rich, vibrant colours, super retina display. That's what they called it in marketing terms. I don't know. It's really bright, vibrant. You can watch YouTube in 1080p if that's important to you. Obviously, you can watch higher quality. You can watch 4K stuff on this if it's supported on any of the stuff you are watching it on. Netflix probably supports 4K on this device for me. Sure, there's the odd time when you're in direct sunlight that it won't respond, but then you just pop in the passcode or you try it again and it does work. There is the problem sometimes if you're wearing sunglasses, but if you're wearing sunglasses a lot, I recommend turning attention awareness off and playing around with those settings. That way it'll still work with Face ID and sunglasses. I did that a lot during the times that we had a lot of sun last year when I was in Italy. The storage configurations are 64 and 256. No 128 middle ground. It was literally 64 and 256. Then there's the colours were silver and space grey. I have the space grey one here. To be honest, I prefer silver. I do prefer silver. So, but space grey is still nice. I recommend either colour. And fun fact, space grey was the most demanded colour when this thing was originally announced. I mean, yeah, it suits it, the device. Yeah. Along the sides, you have your mute rocker switch. Then you have your volume buttons, and then on the other side you have your power button. The way it should be. Not any of the power button and volume buttons on the both sides. No. It's the same way it should be. How you get around the device if you don't know already. You swipe up to go home. You swipe up and hold to get into your multitasking. And you can slide along the bottom to go through your apps that are in the background. Really simple, intuitive way to get around the way with this device. So, the battery life. It is really good. It is really good, not gonna lie. Sure, yeah, it's not gonna get you entirely through the day if you're doing heavy tasks like recording video, podcasts, the whole lot, if you're recording them. But listening to stuff, I actually can get through a whole day of just listening to stuff on this. And because I have a Qi charger on my desk, I can just pop it on there and it wirelessly charges all day if I needed to, because we're all in quarantine now, so we can't really do it. So yeah, there's not much else really about this device that you need to know, other than if you can swing it, maybe go for a 10S. It might give you a bit more longevity support, and the battery might be a bit better. Or if you prefer bigger phones, a max size phone would be better for you. Although this 5.8 inch display that's on this is still fine. I don't get annoyed by the display. This is coming from a person who was on the iPhone 8 Plus beforehand. And going back to a phone with big bezels is really shocking nowadays. Because when you go back to a phone with big bezels, you learn to appreciate this. So that's it for this video review. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time.